Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best automatic shifters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is TCI 616541 Fast Gate Shifter. We will start off our picks with the most popular budget option from TCI. The automatic shifter from TCI is a perfect choice for users who want a cheap and low-profile automatic shifter. In the first place, we are bringing you this shifter. Given that it is the cheapest option you can find in the market right now for an automatic shifter, you will also find it the popular choice among other shifters. This shifter measures about 4 by 13 by 14 inches in size and weighs 7 pounds, which is perfect for a compact shifter. The design of this shifter is basically a universal design that will be suitable for the majority of the users. You will be able to mount this shifter with 3 or 4 speed gearboxes without any issue. As for durability, TCI has introduced a double injection molded cover which maintains the look while offering additional protection. It also has a reverse lockout mechanism that prevents damage caused by accidentally shifting into reverse. Number 2. Our second best pick is B&AMP M Automatic Shifter. This brand is probably the best brand for automatic gear shifters as they offer a variety of designs and options for a shifter. The following pick from B&AMP M is one of its premium offerings. In the second place, we have a premium choice coming from B&AMP M. This shifter features a very attractive design along with an aluminum handle for better build quality. You will also find operating it comparatively easier on rough terrains. You can use the shifter as an automatic or manual transmission system as per your desire. It has a versatile shifting mechanism that allows you to use it as a straight line detent or ratchet action shifter by lifting the trigger. You will also find a backup switch and neutral switch on the shifter. The universal installation style is useful for applications where the vehicle does not have a factory-provided console. Number 3. Our third best pick is B&AMP M81052 Pro Stick Black Automatic Shifter. As B&AMP M designs a variety of options for automatic shifters, we have some more options from B&AMP M to offer you. Amongst that, the following option is a stick shifter which you might like. Here, we have one more option which is this model shifter. It is a stick-type automatic shifter that offers precise control via the gate action. It offers consistent operation for the user so that you can have better control. It comes with a lightweight aluminum cover that you can remove easily before installing it. This shifter is also a highly secured option as it follows NHRA as well as IHRA safety requirements. There is a reverse lockout feature which is one of the most important features regarding the safety standards. This shifter comes with a modular gate plate design that makes it compatible with 2, 3, and 4-speed transmissions. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is B&AMP M80681Z Gate Automatic Shifter. As you have already looked at the premium offering from B&AMP M, let us introduce you to one of its comparatively affordable automatic shifters. This unit also has the signature B&AMP M design with many great features. In case you have been looking for affordable choices designed by B&AMP M, worry not. We have one such option for you to present right here. This shifter is one of the most affordable choices on our list while also being one of the most stylish options designed by B&M. It has a classic shifter style that allows you to use the shifter as an automatic as well as a manual transmission system. This automatic shifter measures 7 by 13 by 12 inches in size, which is a good form for luxury cars. It uses gate-style shifting mechanics which have dedicated notches to stop the gear movement precisely. You will also find NHRA and IHRA safety standards. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Southwest Auto RATCHET QUICKSILVER Shifter. It also offers a great automatic shifter on our picks today. Although, this shifter is designed by B&M, which is a fairly popular name in the market. This QUICKSILVER shifter is certainly the best-looking automatic shifter you can buy from this list today. Unlike the traditional silver finish, this shifter is designed with an attractive form with a shiny brown color finish. It is suitable for both 3- and 4-speed transmission systems which cover a wide range of cars. It is offering a black PVD coating on the shifter along with a reverse lockout feature to meet NHRA and IHRA safety standards. Apart from the looks, this shifter is also pretty decent considering the applicability as it has a gear position indicator and a micro switch for backup lights. You will also have a neutral switch on the shifter that prevents accidental start when the car is in here. Along with the shifter, you will also receive a 5-foot-long shift cable so that you can install it right out of the box. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.